Everybody, we're going to do another unboxing. I got a message, text message from Solar Color Dust, you can tell by the bag, that they were having another mystery bag going on for Christmas. I think it was Black Friday possibly. Hi baby. Hi Topher. Topher's going to help us today by clawing me to bits. Topher, honey, say hi to everybody. Topher. Topher, no, you don't get the color dust. No, you're going to say hi to everybody. Say hi, everybody. Look. Are you getting down now? Okay. Okay. You going to sit so Mommy can do this? Okay. Papa squat, baby boy. Topher, sit down. Okay. Alright, so it was $45 for the bag. I picked the green one. I think they might have been different prices, but because they're not posted anymore, I can't look for you to show you. So, there's other stuff in here, so we'll set the bag out here. Can't wait to look and see what's in there. Nice and heavy. Let's see, Toby. We should have our, yep, goodie bag. Always with a goodie bag. Got my scissors out in case something's hard to open, so I won't have to sit, you won't have to sit here and watch me struggle. So, we have business card. You see, Tofi? For both Glitter Hippo and Solar Color Dust. I just actually went through a bunch of paperwork here and I had so many of those I had to get rid of them. I don't know why I was holding on to them. Spoon. These are great. Love this. Use it for all kinds of different things. And then we have our sticker. It's one of those that, you know, as you move it's a different picture. And then what do we see? Ooh, cute! Mystical Moonbeam. What are you doing, Toph? There's no trash down there either. Let's see if you guys can see that. That's real pretty. I always say it's like a mixology because obviously I use glitter chimp all the time, but that's what it reminds me of. Let's see if I can get a better picture for you. There you go. It's real pretty. Okay. Then, let's see. We have the postcards also. Solar Color Dust and Glitter Hippo. Glitter Hippo. I have yet to order any glitter. I mean to, but every time I start to, I see something I like it. Glitter Chimp ended up being faithful to them as usual. But, you know. It's still good. Let's put this in here. These are all the color changing because I use this, I get a lot of orders for my dragon scale tumblers, and so I'm always looking for color changing micas to go with that. Now these were, let's see, the Chromex Nexus, which is this one is, was on sale for, oh well, no, it wasn't on sale. This one was $10. This one was on sale for $8. And then this one was $10. This one is called, this is Ethereal Dust. It's called Dreamy. Oh, as I throw it. Ooh, thank goodness that I didn't open. Ooh, nice. That is a very pretty iridescent shimmer. I can see that as makeup. What you got, Tofi? He's out of sorts this evening for some reason. So that's Dreamy. You can see my hands are, we're still going through the epoxy rash stuff. It's comes in waves and pretty miserable, but I'm hoping it's getting better. Nothing else, I'll have you know, brand new baby skin after it's all done, because all of mine will have peeled off to reveal the new, younger, fresher skin. You can see kind of my neck here. I'm not quite ready to be on camera. It's the second wave or third wave has attacked mostly my face and eyes. So it's been quite fun to have to wake up with your eyes so swollen you can barely see. Okay, so this one is Regency. It is what they call their Chromex. And you can kind of see the color shift in that. On camera it actually comes out pretty good. They don't really show up when you do them on your hands like this. I try every time, but they're very, very pretty on a dragon scale. Let's see. I just happen to have some here that I need to get done. So we'll do a little bit just on the bottom up here to see what it looks like. Very, very pretty. That's the best way to see these, guys, if you want to really see how these work, is on a black background. They show up much better on a black background. You can do them on other backgrounds. They definitely, the black background burns out there. The good stuff. This one looks like it might be a similar color. Alright, this stuff, liquid crystal, is like liquid gold. And it's the 10 gram. I don't know if you guys have ever had a chance to play with it. It doesn't look like much in the, oh, I almost spilled it, in the jar. But airbrush works great if you have an airbrush. It works really great. But you can brush it on too. Just know that you want to really let it dry between layers. It will pull on itself and kind of pull off if you're not careful. So just be careful you're doing that. But it's beautiful. If you've never seen the tumblers done with it, you paint the tumbler black, you put that over it, and where you touch it, it changes colors. Just like with a mood ring or something like that. So I do a tumbler that's a mood ring. It says on there, I don't need a mood ring, I have a face. And I paint it with this, and I'm so excited to have that kind, because I have not ever tried this particular kind. I've gotten the one made for the sprayer. I'm excited. That's fun. I love that stuff. Next, Stellar Hollow Flakes. Ooh, Atlas. See, I thought about ordering this, and I'm like, no, I'll just wait. You never know what you're going to get in your mystery bag. So far, this one's been a little bit different than other ones, which is nice. Not that I don't love the other ones, because I do. Ooh, look at that. Is that coming through? Let's see. That is very, very pretty. My light has gone crazy. Doesn't want to stay up anymore. That is real pretty. So those are hollow flakes. It's kind of like the gold foil. Works like that. That's real pretty. I might put some in a keychain just to kind of see what it looks like. Alright, next we have ooh, how pretty that is. Very pretty. That's fun. Let's see what we're going to do with that one. Well, let's see. Kind of hard to show my pinky, apparently. That's pretty. I'm going to end up getting that all over me. Let's see. Ooh, Magic Pearl Sparkle Red. That's a different color than I have had. Super pretty. I think I have gray. No, I can't remember what the other one is. Purple. Purple and gray. So I can add that to the collection. I'm excited about that too. Those are real pretty. Triple Thermal Dust Sample Pack. Thermographic Heat Sensitive Pigment changes 3 color activities at 82 and 95. 5 random samples. Let's see. All right. So we have black to navy to magenta, dark brown rust golden, dark green green lime, maroon red yellow, and sangria red and hot pink. Oh look, you can see where my hand was holding it. It's a different color. Those are neat. I have some of these, I had to figure out what to do with them because they're so fun and there's so many different things you can do that I always can't decide what to do. So I need to make a cup that's just all thermal. Alright, let's see. Is this last? I got 2 more things. Ooh, the Ghost Chameleon. Blue to violet to purple. Ultralight iridescent color shift pigments. This might be fun on one of the dragon scales. I think it changes with sunlight. So let's get no? Oh, maybe it's heat. Let's try it. It is iridescent. It doesn't look iridescent, but then you put it on your skin, it's definitely iridescent. You can see it up there. Nice. Alright, one more thing. It's their epoxy resin, which I got a sample of this last time, and I actually really liked it. And I am going to use resin for some things. There's just some things like my dominoes or other couple things that I would use them for, but I will tell you, if you're anywhere near it, I am in full mask. I have full face covering mask. I'm in long sleeves. I will tape my sleeves shut. I cover almost every inch of my body before I even get anywhere near it. And I try to use applicators and stuff instead of my hands on the projects too. So that's my PSA for this video. I won't bug you guys with that much more. Just remember, it's more dangerous than you might think. So I think for $45 it's pretty, if you consider the fact that just alone these are $10, right? So a very good deal. I love it when it's the mystery box time, because I will definitely get those, and it gives me a chance to try out new things and different ways of doing things. So really enjoy that. We'll be posting a video, hopefully in the next day or two, showing how I did my my first gnome tumbler, which was really fun. I want to do another one as soon as I have time. I want to do a wine glass. My mom loves it, so that really, it makes it good too. But as I always tell you guys, please feel free to like, comment, share, or all of the above. Anything you guys can do in that way helps me out. Any interaction with the video really helps out a lot too. So sharing it, screenshotting it, any of that, really appreciate it. And as always, please stay happy, safe, and healthy out there. And I will talk to you guys again soon.